Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a Rumba workout from levels 1 to 5, 1 being the easiest and 5 being the most advanced. By the way, we are making a new program, so if you would like to be the first to know when it goes live, click the link in the description below to sign up. For today's video, we are using our practice shoes. We prefer to use EF dance shoes because we think they are one of the best dance shoes in the industry. So if you would like to purchase a pair of practice shoes, you can get more information in the description below. Okay guys, so we are at level 1. We're going to have a basic in place, a time step, and a shoulder to shoulder. Get ready, feet together. Here we go. And 4, 2 and 3 and 4. On the spot, 2, 3, 4. Switch, switch, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Switch, switch. Very good, guys. Get ready, because we're gonna go into a time step. Side. Together, together, side. Together, together, side. Together, together, side. Together, together, side. Switch, switch, side. Switch, switch, side. Switch, switch, side. Switch, switch, side. Very good. Keep this up. Get ready. We're gonna do a shoulder to shoulder. We're gonna go forward first. Side. Now we're gonna go back. Back. Now again, forward. 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 Back. Back. Forward. Side. Forward. Now back. And again, forward. And back, and back. Very good. Okay guys, level 2. We're gonna have a basic, we're gonna have a New York, and we're going to have a hand-to-hand. Get ready. We're gonna prepare the right leg. Here we go, and side. Basic step, and right foot back. Left foot forward. Right foot back. Left foot forward. Now we're gonna go into that New York. Cross it over. Cross. Very good. Keep this up. And hand to hand, stepping back. And back to that basic step. Forward and back. Forward and now New York, cross it over. Very good. Hand to hand, step it back. Very good. And back to that basic step. Forward and back. Forward. Very good. New York, cross it over. And hand to hand, step it back. And back to that basic. Forward, back, forward, and back. Very good. Alrighty guys, we are at level 3. We are going to have a cucaracha with side steps and a spot turn. Get ready. Feet together. And we go. Side, together. Side, together. One more. Now we have side steps. Side, spot turn, and cucaracha. Side, together. Side, together. Side, now side steps. Side, together, side, spot, turn. And side, together. Side, together. Side, walk, spot, turn. Side, together. Side, together. Side, and walk, spot turn. And side, together. Side, together. Side, together. Walk, spot turn. Do it again. Side, point, together. Side, point, together. Side, point, together. Walk, and spot turn. Again, focus on pointing that toe and then bringing it in. And side, together. Side, spot, turn. Keep going. And very good. Now bring it up. Focus on that hip action. Big and rounded. And done. Okay, guys, level 4. We are going to do sliding doors as a follower and as a leader. We're going to have first sliding doors without a delayed walk and the second one with a delayed walk. Get ready. Prepare that right foot to dance. We're going to be stepping back. Get ready. And go. Back. Now just step on it. Side. Then we're going to go back. Now delay this one. And then half of it, collect your feet together. And leaders. Step on it. Now we're going to delay it. Delayed. Half of it. And switch. Step on it. Now with the delayed. Half of it, collect, leader's part. Keep going. And leader's part. No. And again with boom. Very good. Get ready. No delay. And with the delay. No delay. We just walk. With the delay and change. Oop, I did a delay that time. I'll do another delay again. There we go. and no delay, and with the delay. Okay, my chance to revive myself. No delay. And with the delay. No delay. And with the delay. Switch. And done. Very good. Alrighty guys, last but not least, we have level 5. We're gonna have a combination of everything in there. We're gonna have basic steps, sliding doors. We're gonna have spiral turns, 3-step turns. We're gonna have cucarachas and side steps and a little syncopation in there. So we're gonna have some new things with the things you've already done. Get ready, tight feet. Left foot prepares now. Get ready, here we go. And 2, 3, side, back, side, forward, sliding doors. Spiral, 2, 3-step turn, and 2, 3 side steps, and back to the basic. Side, sliding doors. Get ready for the spiral. And 2, walk it out. And again, basic. Sliding doors. Spiral turn. Walk it out. And repeat. Very good. Keep it up. Spiral turn. And 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Very good, guys. Get ready. Really focus on this timing. 4, 2, 3, and 4. And 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Got a lot of syncopations there. Be ready when that comes. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and 4. And 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Sliding doors. And spiral. Very good. Breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. Very good. Focusing on all of those actions. Got a nice slow Rumba. Full in the hips. Very good, guys. Whew. If you need a breather, my legs are starting to cramp up. I'm sure you're feeling it. Whew. Very good. Alrighty, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.